Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to dive into Dollar Tree and do some Dollar Tree meal prep items coming up next. So on this episode, I'm gonna show you a ton of things from the Dollar Tree, how to do the best meal prep that's super easy for the keto cooking and for low carb cooking. I've got some hacks that'll save you money and save you time. Let me go in and show you. So these are for Christmas. They talk about believe in the magic of Christmas, but honestly, I might use them for my freezer meal prep that I have. I'm gonna organize meats in my freezer. So I'm actually gonna snag a couple of these and I'll show you guys when I get home what it looks like having them organized in my freezer, but they're only $1 and it's going to help my bulk meat purchases that I use for meal prep keep them super organized. For meal prep, these ice trays are great for bone broth, or not bone broth, for your broth from cooking chickens or leftover broth that you have. I'm going to use these and put these into my haul too. I did find these similar at my Marshall's haul for I think $2 or $3, and they were the reusable metal stainless steel kind though. I love these little condiment containers with lids. They're great if you have kids that go to school and want to have like ketchup to dip things, or if they're keto you wouldn't be having ketchup, but like little kids to have dip dips or little travel nut carriers. They're plastic. I've recently moved to metal containers, but these are something for $1. You get 10 of them. They're 10 cents each. Again, it's a lot of plastic consumption, but in a pinch, sometimes we do use these if we're traveling. I do travel for work sometimes, and these make for great for nuts and things like that, and really easy for sauces and stuff like that, ranch dressing to have for little kids if they want to take ranch dressing to school for like dip dips and stuff. It's a great tool to have. So here's what I was looking for. These are the travel little ones that I was talking about for the nuts or for spices or for sauces. These are 4 containers for $1. They're $1/4 a piece. I'm snagging these. These are great. We use these a lot, and so they're better than the disposable ones because you can just wash them and use them over and over and over. If you're traveling, the disposable ones are great, but for day-to-day use, I love using these small ones. And then also I don't have to buy little packets. I can just reuse these, throw them in our dishwasher, and reuse them over again. It's a good buy. And of course, getting glass would be best, but sometimes with little kids, my kids' school does not allow glass, so these make for perfect little kid lunches for like ranch dressing, blue cheese dressing, if you're on the low carb or keto diet. The next thing I snagged for only $1 for our meal prep is going to be these foil sheets. There's 30 of them. They're already pre-cut. When having little kids helping me with meal prep, these are great. I can say just pull out a sheet, and it makes it really helpful for my kid to be involved with cooking. For meal prep, these are great for little keto cheesecakes or keto muffins to go into. Those are cute 50 liners for $1. Good deal. So up there is baking piping bags that you can use. You can use those for your deviled eggs when you're using your keto cooking. Those would be great for piping your deviled eggs. Have you guys seen my keto pancake recipe? These would be great to use for keto pancakes or for the keto egg omelets. You just simply put one of these down and you can make some cute little pancakes or cute little omelets out of those shapes, like pumpkins or hearts for your kids for keto cooking. I don't know why this is so funny to me. That is hilarious. That's really funny. So their garlic powder and onion powder is a great buy. I ended up, we're out, so I ended up actually getting some to use in my Instapot recipes later today. These are great spice prices. They also had Kingsford, the barbecue brand, has their own spices. They're down there. They're here at the Dollar Tree too. Great deal. They do have pumpkin spice for all you PSLers out there. You can use this in your keto coffee or some awesome ground cinnamon. This is actually an appetite suppressant, so I like putting cinnamon on a lot of things. It helps suppress appetites. So I would love to know, and your question of the day is, what is your favorite Dollar Tree item? Put in the comments below. So these craft bottles are plastic, but for $1, you could organize a bunch of things with these for your meal prep. You could also put it, because it's plastic, you wouldn't want to put like soups after meal prep in it, but you could put some cute like leftover eggs or things like that in here. That would be a good little smaller size. See, it's like the size of my hand, but it would be great for meal prep. So those glass containers would be great for meal prep, the varying sizes of those. You could put leftover soups and things like that in there. Highly, highly recommend those. And they had even the mason jar kind. That's a great deal for $1. If you buy the mason balling ones off of Amazon, they're at least $4, $3 per piece. So if you're here, snag a couple of them. You'll want them for later on for your soups and things like that. We use it for all sorts of stuff, particularly our bone broth, other things like that. These are the cheapest. They do have the cheapest ones. I use these pans heavily for my meal prep if I'm cooking big roasts, hams. They're easy. You can just throw them away when there's a lot of grease. We have a reusable one, and it continuously just gets so dirty that sometimes this is easier. Again, it's not the best environmental component, but when you're cooking something that's super greasy or for a large party, these are great party platters and make for easy disposable cleanup when you're done with them. So here's even more cooking things that you could have if you're, say, having a party and serving them. But really, we use these for big roasts. That's my big thing. It's really extremely hard to clean after meal prep. I try to be conscious of how much stuff I'm throwing away, but sometimes I just need a big roast pan, and these are great ones. They're a little bit more flimsy than the Reynolds kind, so just be aware of that when you're holding the roast. Like it may be flimsy. Y'all know I like my eyelashes. Maybe I should get a pair of these. So if you haven't seen my keto bagel recipe, go check that out in the playlist below. But I've got two things. It's parchment paper. You need parchment paper to make cheese crisps or my keto chips that I have. And so there's two different kinds. I got the roll of parchment paper. I usually use the Reynolds wrap, but this was 25 square feet. I had not seen parchment paper here at the Dollar Tree before, so I was super excited to snag this. And then also they had the pre-cut sheets, 10 of them, so they're 10 cents each, for the parchment paper for cheese crisps. This is great for low carb cooking or keto cooking, to be able to pull these out. Again, have kids help you. I am excited to try these to see if they actually work. After you make your meal, these chargers are awesome for only $1. They look beautiful. When you pick them up, you can tell they're plastic, but these would be great for when you're eating your actual meal, to put your plate on the charger for a little more specialty items. So I really like these bins. They're good organizational ones that you can use in your freezer for organizing meats, but pantry organization for meal prep too. Super, super helpful for keeping spices organized. I'm gonna snag a couple of them because I'm redoing my pantry and my freezer area. These would be great. They're only $1, so I could get 5 and it would still be a great savings. They have some great labels that you can use also for that freezer organization I'm going to be doing, which I'll show you when I get home. I'm going to use these labels to help keep it really organized for myself. They do have 3 different types. There's these that go on these bins for 15 of them for $1, or they have these labels. There's 50 of them for $1, but they're different shapes and sizes. I'm going to get these because I might be able to use them with my pantry spices also, so I'm going to snag these as well. So these splatter screens work great for keto cooking if you're cooking a high-fat meat or bacon to prevent grease from going all over your kitchen. Those are great. And then also these cooking racks are wonderful to use if you're baking things like keto cookies or keto bagels. Those are great too. I like this hot and cold bag if you're taking, like for the holidays, bringing a roast somewhere to someone's house. It's either stays hot or cold as an insulator. And they do have these chopping mats for if you're chopping your vegetables or other things. These are easy to use. I've actually used these in our refrigerator to help keep, like, you can just throw these away, and so we'll use them and clean them and reuse them and clean them, but it helps cut down with meat when we use a lot of meat with keto cooking, like preventing like juices coming out of the meat. I like having these down underneath the meat trays. So they have a ton of oven mitts that you can get for only $1. Those are great for meal prep if you're using your oven or using hot surfaces, of course. And these would make for great Christmas gifts or holiday gifts, giving one of these little things, and dish towels down there too for cleaning up after the meal prep. I need to get these for the keto police. I'm going to go ahead and snag a pair too. You're under arrest. So they have Texas Pete's little bottles and also their Frank's Red Hot sauce. It's a great buy to get too for meal prep. So we have a ton of glass ones of these at our home. They do have plastic ones, and it has the measurements of 1 liter on here, 1.5 liters. If you need that type of measurement for meal prep, it would be great to put, again, some of your other like spices and stuff in. They do have a larger size up there that would also be great to contain the spices in too. So your question of the day is, what is your favorite Dollar Tree item? Put in the comments below. I'd love to see. So spices are a good deal for meal prep here to get. They have tons and tons of them, varying kinds. You can sometimes get them on sale at CVS as another alternative, like keto on a budget type choice. But for meal prep, that's a great thing. I did see these glue sticks that I had to get. I've never seen colored sparkle glue sticks for your glue gun. I'm gonna snag those. And I did end up getting 2 of these paintable signs. They're only $1, and I thought my little boy, he's 4, could do something cool with these. So we're gonna have arts and crafts later today. The Christmas section makes me so happy. I'm so excited to see all these decorations. How cute are these mugs? These are cute little holiday mugs, and they have bigger ones too. My favorite food they have is the Oh Snap pickles. These are so good. So the aftermath of keto meal prep, you can get your dish cleaner here. They have a bunch of dish cleaners for only $1 for these huge sizes. This is 16 ounces for only $1 for Palmolive dish cleaner. I think that's cheaper than like CVS couponing. I'm actually very impressed. Here's another one, same thing, 18 ounces, only $1, and it's Palmolive, so it's name brand for dish cleaning after your meal prep. Not meal prep related, but I am getting these llama stickers. I need to put myself on a budget, but I'm really excited. How cute are they? They're so cute. They need to go into my office. They're so cute. I got this one. I also got this one for my boy. It says, "Stay humble, work hard, be kind." I thought that would be cute for his room or his bathroom. Again, I'll see if it works, see if it messes up my walls, but I was super curious. It looks cute. So this is not meal prep, but I had to show you guys. They have these cool wall stickers. I grabbed a bunch of them. Iron Man ones for my little boy. And then they have all of these different llama ones. And I'm gonna use them for my office, maybe for a bathroom, but I thought they were so cute. I'll show you guys if they look cute or not, but I'm super pumped. I got a bunch, and then there was a third llama. I got all the llamas. Look, isn't that adorable? So anyways, I thought that was really cute for $1. We'll see how it goes. It says that they're removable and it won't harm the walls, so I'll go home and test them and see if they work. So I'm super curious about these. Have any of you guys used these for your salads? Do they work? Put in the comments below. I'm super curious if these cover-up containers work. I'm gonna snag one to try it out. So they do have Ziploc bags here. They have the big old hefty size, are $6 for $1, which is a great buy, but I would caution it would be less expensive if you simply got glass containers or mason jars and reuse those so you didn't have the waste from the packaging. So that's one idea. If you're, as I knock everything off, as you're traveling, these are really good items to have, but day-to-day use, I love and save a ton of money by simply rewashing glass container items, and then I don't have to worry about it getting hot or cold. I can just reuse those. Literally, we've had the same glass containers, some of them, for like 8 years. It's way less expensive in the long run than these plastic wraps. These sets would also be a great meal prep item to have. Ideally, glass would be best, but if you need something to make like a huge roast and then freeze it afterwards for freezer meal prep, I do sometimes use plastic for those. Ideally, glass is best again, but for 3 of these for $1, it makes for great easy if you have soups or other items that you need to just quickly put in a container. I just think these are so cute. It's not meal prep related, but for little kids to have cute little straws, that is adorable. I know some of y'all hate touching raw meat when doing keto cooking and low carb cooking, so for your meal prep, they do have 100 disposable gloves, so 50 uses if you don't want to touch the raw meat, or if you're cleaning up after your meal prep, or if you're handling some things that you don't really want to touch, they have disposable gloves here too. These are so expensive at the airport when we travel, so I'm gonna snag a couple of them. I know they're not meal prep, but girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do. We do also have these cute containers. They're 2-piece, so they're 50 cents a piece. They're cute for little Christmas gifts, but you could use these for holding your almond flour or other types of keto products. Would be super simple. Your nuts, if you wanna have your nuts not in the plastic bag so they don't go stale, these potentially could be a good option, 50 cents a piece. Did have even more containers that are reusable. They're a little bit bigger for your sauces or nuts as opposed to using disposable ones, so that's another great option. So I'm gonna snag some of these and some travel little Advil packets too. This would be great for the keto diet for if you just need a little platter for your deviled eggs to go on. And they do have only $1 coconut oil too. That's great for cooking, for meal prep. We use that sometimes in some of our stuff that we have. If I'm out of buying my big bulk size of coconut oil, I'll grab a Dollar Tree one. So I've also done a Dollar Tree food haul. You can go check that out. It'll be in the playlist down below with all the different Dollar Tree foods you can get on the keto diet. These are so cute. They have DIY snow globes. I know that it's not meal prep related, but I'm gonna snag a couple of them for Christmas. So I'm gonna go home. I'll show you how I'm gonna implement all of these for my meal prep, how to utilize them to help me save money, save time, and get a lot of meal prep cooking done. I was putting my cart back and they had silly string. I wish I had gotten it. Now I'm having FOMO. Well, not FOMO, I just missed out. It wasn't fear of, it was just missing out. I have MO. Let me go home and show you everything I got. We have a ton of freezer stuff. You can see I have a totally stocked freezer. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and make sure these are labeled and then start organizing where my fruits are, put them all in the fruit bin. Where my vegetables are, put them in the vegetable bin. Where my meats are, put them in the meat bin. I do have a ton of beef down there. I feel like an air traffic controller. A ton of beef down there that I'm gonna also label separately than like chicken and other fish, other sorts of meats too. I did also get these cool wall decorations. They're the llama ones. They were only $1. They say that they work. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. My little boy got some Avenger ones and they had 3 different kinds of these llamas. Here's the third one. I just thought they were, my office is decorated with llama theme, so I'm stoked to try these. They allegedly don't, it says apply to a clean surface, and then they won't mess up your walls. So I'm excited to see if these actually will be a good Dollar Tree decoration or not. Put in the comments below, do you think it's gonna jack up my walls? Let's take a poll. I'm taking a poll. Will this mess up my walls? And for my little boy's room, I also did get this stay humble, work hard kind. I thought that was cute. I may put that in his bathroom or like on an obscure part of his wall, but I thought that was pretty cute. We'll see again, same thing. Is this, I think you just literally peel it. I gotta read the directions. I just wanna slap this on the wall and see if it works. It says it's removable. I wonder, has anybody had experience? Tell me, I need to know. I'm scared. I'm scared it's gonna mess with my walls, but we're gonna try all of them out. And I also did get from the Dollar Tree these fun crafting things. They'll be gifts for grandparents where my little boy will paint them and make them into little Christmas ornaments. I thought these were super, I remember doing this as a kid and loving it and painting. It comes with the little paints with a paintbrush. So I thought that those would be fun little Dollar Tree craft items also. And when you're going potty, I thought this was so funny. When you're going to the bathroom, you can read this. Another surprise up in here for fun. I had to put it here. How cute is that? So cute. And I added some more over here. How cute is this? I am in llama heaven. This is so cute. That is a little crooked down there, but that's okay. And a surprise one over here. I thought it was a cute little surprise. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up down below in the description for my keto free weekly meal plan, my gift to you, part of the Countess of Low Carb community. Hey guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. You can go over to Countess of Low Carb on YouTube to go see the rest of this video. Also, number 2, I do have 2 free workshops that I do. One is how to lose 25, 50, 100 pounds or more using my intermittent fasting hacks that I have. Free workshop, totally my gift to you. And number 2 is a second workshop that I have, which is how to lose 5 pounds or more from sleeping with my 3 sleep hacks for you. Both of those are also in my link in my bio. If you want to get those at the end of the workshop, of course, I will have my courses for sale after those, but the full workshop is totally free where I pour my heart out in some tactile, tangible training just for you. And number 3, I hope that you're on my free email list that I do have, which is also the link in the bio where I send out weekly weight loss emails, Fat Loss Friday, Motivational Monday. I send out a lot of really cool emails that you will get on my email list if you sign up for it, which is the link is in the bio. So go scoot over to Countess of Low Carb on YouTube and let's make it a powerful day. Bye friends.